atas.
Nggak ngerti.
Good morning everyone. This will be the last episode of my solo traveling to solve the Path Unjourney. Enjoy!
Guten Morgen, liebe Leute. Heute haben wir noch zwei Planungen. Erst gehen wir nach Eibsee, machen Kurswanderungen da und danach Neuschwanstein Castle. The castle that every world talk about. The inspiration of Disneyland Castle. Let's go!
I'm weary of hope.
The guy in the front gate was so nice. He recommended me to take the counterclockwise route so then I can see the Zugspitze directly in front of me and I can get the shorter path road. And then after around 400 meters walking, you will meet a small bridge that will connect you to the small island in the middle.
When my heart is cold,
The view from here is so wonderful. It looks so pretty. I really have to come back here again.
I will always know
And this turquoise
you will keep
watercolor. The track is pretty okay. It's not like elevating that much. Mostly going downhill. But we have to consider when we are going back.
I will always know you will keep me.
See, the water is so clean. I'm imagining myself swimming over there.
Frost, and I want you to know I'll stay. I know that you have been trying to be okay. Don't you give up hope. Don't you give up.
You know what is the scary part? You can see the deeper part of it. So you just like around 3-4 meters and it will drop directly to the bottom. And that in that popular island that you used to see in the internet. I might fly a drone here.
When your heart is cold, when your ice and snow, you will always know.
I think it's a good idea to traveling through the edge of the lake, through these old rocks. Because if you go from the land side, you might go uphill, downhill, which might reduce your stamina. But here, you keep going on the same level, and also you can see the view all the time without covered up by trees. One tip from me.
When my heart is cold, when it's ice and snow, I will always know you will keep me warm.
Okay, so today I think is the crazy hiking day for me. Wandern Tag. 2 times a day, wandering in the quite steep road. And you know where am I now? I'm in Fussen to visit Neuschwanstein Castle. There are like 2 Wanderwege. The other one is the easiest one over there, but a little bit like 10 or 15 minutes slower. But this one is faster but steeper. I think no one picked this road, but it's okay. Guys, really nobody picking this road. It's my road. At the end, walking with the others. There are several ways how to reach Neuschwanstein Castle. One is going by feet. It's around 25 up to 30 minutes, German feet, or going by horse, which is more expensive. Okay, here is Neuschwanstein Castle. Let's find a good spot to seeing view.
The Neuschwanstein Castle, an inspiration of the Cinderella in Disneyland story. 3 days and 2 nights, it has taken me to unforgettable journey. It revealed the inside of me, the one that I didn't believe still stay behind when nobody surrounds. It taught me how to appreciate a silence and forced me to become more independent. The journey reminded me the joyfulness in telling a story instead of catching the wave of pursuing the audience melody. No one knows what will come after. At least you try, and I think it's better. At last, anything that have been said has brought my confidence to solve another Path Unjourney.